Beach House Home Inspections is also the only licensed plumbing contractor in the state of South Carolina. I own Beach House Plumbing. What I'm doing for a client, a couple of clients in the neighborhood, is I'm flushing a tankless water heater. I'm just using a submersible pump, a nice stainless steel container, and we're pumping white distilled vinegar, which is starting to turn a nice color green, so we know we're doing some good work to the heat exchanger. And we're pumping it through the supply line here. It's gonna go through the heat exchanger and come out this return back into the bucket, okay? And we're gonna let that run for an hour. If you have plumbers who are doing this in 30 minutes or 20 minutes, 1 hour is how long you're supposed to flush this system. Soon we're gonna take out these flame igniters. This clip comes out, and we're gonna clean these electrodes, okay? And that's part of our service. We don't have to do anything with the heat exchanger if we can observe it through this portal and see that we have a nice clean heat exchanger. And later we will be taking out this filter for the cold water inlet side and cleaning it. In order to service this unit, the manufacturer requires that there be a front access of at least 6 inches to remove this cover, which is over here. We can do it here because we are below this garage door. But I'm gonna come over and show you a house where they didn't have their home inspected and they didn't realize that they needed to take that cover off. And I tried to clean this water heater. It's a no-go. I tried getting this cover off. The only thing I could do is flush it. I couldn't take care of the ignition devices inside of the water heater. So they're contacting the builder to have them lower it. Okay, these are the flame rod electrodes. We removed those from the heat exchanger area and we're gonna clean these off. Okay, the flame rod electrodes are all nice and clean. If these need to be replaced, you can get these on Amazon for about $34. As long as we have this area open, we're going to examine the heat exchanger. This seems to be very clean. We can inspect through these ports. And once we buckle this up, we're gonna look for a nice blue flame when we're done flushing in this little inspection window. Okay, as you can see, I'm running the water heater now and we have a very nice blue flame. So I am going to go ahead and buckle this up. So this is some of the debris that has come out of the heat exchangers in the water heater. This is why you flush your water heater. Get rid of all this debris, all the calcium,